Are you worried about wasting money on home renovations that don't add value? Did you know that home upgrades can give you back almost double what you spend? However, not all renovations are equal, and some can even hurt your home's value. So today, I'll reveal the top 3 renovation projects for 2025 that delivered the highest return on investment. Number 1, update the kitchen a little bit. The kitchen is the heart of the home, but full remodel isn't always necessary. Simple updates like refacing kitchen cabinets, replacing cabinet hardware, upgrading appliances, or installing new countertops can yield an ROI of 52%. These small changes make your kitchen feel fresh and inviting without a hefty price tag. Number 2, a reasonable bathroom remodel. We're not talking about a high-end spa bathroom here. Just a medium-grade finish can yield an ROI of up to 60 to 75%. Why? Bathrooms add value and appeal without requiring a massive investment. Best updates are new vanities with modern fixtures, fresh tile, refinishing your tub, shower, updating lighting, mirrors, water-efficient toilets, and faucets. Number 3, and this one is a little different. I bet you think I'm going to say landscaping, which is important. But if you're looking for a practical, cost-effective upgrade, attic insulation is the way to go. With an ROI of about 117%, it's small investment, lowers your energy bills while adding massive value to your home, and buyers appreciate the savings that come with energy efficiency. And you may be able to even get a tax credit. So there you have it for today. Choosing the right renovations can transform both your home and your wallet. These 3 projects are smart, simple, and proven, and they pay off. If you need help making sure you're investing in the right home improvements, you can call or text me. Let's work together and make your home stand out. Again, I'm Stacy Chaffin with Real Broker, and thanks for watching.